Hi, my name is Zachary, and I'm going to show you how to solve one color of this Rubik's Cube, okay? I am going to solve orange. Ready? Let's get started. Solved. Now I'm going to solve a different color. I'm going to solve, let's see, white. Okay? So, yeah. In 3, 2, 1, let's get started. Boom. So easy. Now, sometimes if you have a 2x2, then it's easy to solve two colors. I've done it like 3 times now because I just got this. Where is it? Right here. I just got this out of the box. I got it at Walmart. And yeah. So sometimes you might get lucky and you might get 2 colors at a time. But I have not got 3 colors at a time. So this is a good chance that I can get it. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna solve yellow. Okay? So yellow is pretty close together, so I'm gonna ruin it. So that's gonna go like that. That's like that. Alright, see? As you can see, the yellow is all spread apart. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Done. And then, as we see, let's look, and we might get 2 or 3. Let's just look. I did not get anything, but it might be lucky to get stuff, like 2 or 3, but it's kind of very rare. So yeah, I am gonna do blue. So yeah, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Finished. And let's see if I got lucky this time. I did not. But I kind of did, because as you can see, there's one right there and there's one right there. So I kind of got lucky, but I kind of didn't at the same time. So yeah, let's do one more time and I'm going to end this video. This is kind of my first video, Rubik's Cube video. So please, drop a like and subscribe. So yeah, let's do, what one have we not done yet? We just did blue. Red. Let's do red. Ready? I'm gonna, mess everything up. And yeah, ready? We're gonna do red now. So hold on, I'm trying not to make it easy. Okay, as you can see, it's red. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And I have finished. I hope you like this video. And yeah, I'll probably start posting a lot of times, but just please subscribe and drop a like, and comment down below if you think this video was a very good video, or yeah, so yeah. So, 3, 2, 1, see you later, guys.